Playing the proper strumming pattern on your guitar is very important because you don't want to be playing a song with the wrong strumming pattern because it won't sound like the same song at all. My name's Shelley Dubois. I am a recording artist, singer, songwriter, and performer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years, and throughout those years, I have been teaching guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you the strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up. And it's a strumming pattern that is used for many, many songs. So it's a very common one. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this strumming pattern. But first, before I show you on the guitar, I'm going to give you a little, little clapping session. I'm going to help you understand, feel the beat so that you're not using a metronome to get your timing. All right, so this is a measure of music, and I'm using 4/4 timing, and the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. And you see there's a rest right here. So when I say down, down, up, down, up, and I have a pause, that's called a rest. That's what it looks like in music. So you got down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So thank you to my guitar teachers many years ago. They instilled in me and other students the feeling the beat. And how they did that was just a little rhythm exercise. So I want you to go through this rhythm exercise with me. I'm going to demonstrate first, and then we'll do it together. So we got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, so I'll do it again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So you can pause this video, go over it again until you got that, all right? And you want to feel that beat. So it's down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So now I'm going to show you on the guitar how we do the strum. I'm going to be playing the chords in the key of G. So I'll be playing G, E minor, C, and D. If you don't know these chords yet, I'll put a link to my video up here where I teach you the 4 basic chords in the key of G. All right, so when you're strumming down, down, you're strumming all of the strings, but when you come up on the up, you don't have to strum all the strings, and don't drag your pick across, okay? You're going to just down, down, up, okay? So I'm going to zoom in on the strumming pattern now so you can hear what I'm doing. And I'll do it slow. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So again, if you're having a little bit of a problem catching on to that just yet, because that's pretty quick, you can just pause it, back up the video, and keep watching it over and over again. That's the beauty of this, right? So now I'm going to do the down, down, up, down, up strum, and changing from chord to chord. So I'm going to go G, E minor, C, then D. So down, down, up, down, up, change chord. 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 Down, down, up, down, up. So practice that over and over again. And then when you're ready, we're going to go a little faster because this is a measure of music. So when you're playing a song, you're going to have the most common is 4 beats per measure. So when you're playing a song, you won't be able to pause. You got to be able to go from chord to chord in each measure. And I'll show you what I mean. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so now counting it out. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So that is the down-up strumming pattern. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you feel somebody else could benefit from this, please share. And most of all, please subscribe so that you get notifications when I upload more videos. And I'll see you in the next video.